Hey, Natalie Berth here, doing another LinkedIn profile mini review. Uh, it's not comprehensive as a reminder, just what I can fit in a video 2.5 or 3 minutes long. This is a review for Libby's profile. Libby is currently the controller at Blue Ridge Mountain Club. If you've been following previous uh, profile reviews, you will know that I am not a fan of ever letting anyone else have this space. So, what I would like to do, especially if she's thinking about looking for a job anytime soon, is to bring in, I don't know, put some kind of philosophy or at least something that kind of attaches to that would say she's looking for work or her approach to numbers. That said, the controller thing here, she can add that. She can keep controller, right? Because that's an important aspect of it. But controller for small businesses, for nonprofits, if there's something special that people need to know about, that would kind of really feed into it. This headline, because she is a career employee as opposed to founder or a business owner, is a really good opportunity for her also to bring in some personal information, right? So I don't know, avid hiker, um, small time, small town living or something like that, right? Just something that kind of brings you in there. As usual, I also get rid of anything over 20 years old, remove dates from your, what do you call it, education. The one thing that I will say is for our final, there's two other things, is to see if any of these organizations have a business page and make sure we type it in correctly so that we pull up that page. The Blue Ridge Mountain Club actually has a business page. I don't know. I forgot to check the Reynolds company. These may not, but it's always worth asking to see if they do this or if there is a parent company that you can tap into. We want to limit these gray boxes as much as possible. Even though she was the professional organizer, I would still set up a business page as long as it stays on uh, your LinkedIn profile. Put up the business page, describe what you did. You can also just say not taking any more clients, right? Because it's closed for business. But at least you give people a little bit more information. If the board positions were voluntary, then add those to the voluntary section. When we're getting ready looking for a job, the other two things I would always say is make sure you use all the sections that you can use. If there are any good projects you've worked on, anything that you've done along those lines, absolutely go back and pull all that stuff together and put together some profile. I mean, some projects that you can list later on in here, as well as the next thing that you can do is just make sure you get some recommendations. So there's some more stuff that could be done, but again, only 2.5 to 3 minutes. So thank you to Libby for allowing me to review your profile. And if you would like your own review, comment below and I will tag you when I'm able to do it. Thanks so much.